Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, has the first known case of mathlete's foot, valvo. And today we're talking percent rate of change. Let's do it! Sometimes the same absolute change can affect two things very differently. For example, if I gain a pound, it's no big deal. I have over 100 more where that came from. But if an ant gains a pound, it's going to start to significantly affect its ability to go through its daily tasks. Now this is because the ratio of the change to the quantity there was before is very important. 1 pound is a very small fraction of my weight, but a very large multiple of an ant's weight. This is where percent rate of change comes in. Percent rate of change is a way to show how much an amount has changed in relation to the original amount. One way to think about it is as a rate of change expressed as a percent.